the change of face?
No, they change to transparent and very fair and transparent.
No, because you have been complaining about the CPDM.
If the CPDM win through the ballot votes, so we don't have any problem. That's the way we don't have a problem because of the CPDM.
I'm asking that you have been complaining about the CPDM.
Yes.
If you have another candidate other than President Paul Biya now still coming from the CPDM that will win.
Yes.
We're talking about what the opposition is imposing, that it must be opposition this time. What Kavayege is decrying, that the opposition should not be, you know, putting ideas in the minds of Cameroonians that it must be opposition. Any result other than the one that will favor the opposition, the population should storm the streets.
No, that should not be the case. Because what I'm saying here is that we want a free, fair, and transparent election. It doesn't matter who wins. Because the greatest problem we have Cameroon now is at the head of the leadership, the president of the republic. When we have a president that is silent, a president that doesn't talk, a president that doesn't react.
That's just been talking.
That's why today you see this minister will come and talk on high instruction on the very issue. The other minister will come and talk, say the high instruction on the same issue. We don't know if the same president is confused and they give high instruction here and give a contrary one to that one and that one. So that's where there's a problem. Because when we have that, whatsoever all the problem that is happening in Cameroon today is because we have a president that is very silent. President doesn't react. People are being killed in the northern region every day.
No, that is leadership
skill. He has failed him because even if it is his own leadership, it means that he has failed him because for 7 or 8 years now, people are being killed in the northern region.
You do everything alone.
We don't do everything alone. You have to delegate power to other people to do it. And when you delegate that power, you need to make sure we follow up to make sure that those people do it at the right way. Because President Paul Biya, they keep telling me that I'm giving high instruction. At the end, you don't see any good result. And the person will still remain there. Appoint someone to a position as a director or minister. The person will be there for 10, 20, 40 years. Imagine, tell me how the person will not steal money as he like. So when you appoint somebody, even the person, no matter how good the person is, make sure that those things are rotative. So to change it once in a while, because when I have a position, I just remain there, and I know that I will be here for a very long time. I will make all the strategy to steal billions and whatsoever the way I like. And because the government, there's no accountability within this government, so no transparency, no accountability. Just do anything you like and go you free. Except when you start looking for their power, that's when they arrest you and keep you saying that you have stolen money. So, which is a normal thing within this government. If you don't steal in this government, we mean that you are not a real member of the ruling CPDM party.
So you are saying that all the CPDM, militants, they steal.
It seems as if it's among their ideology, because among the ideology, it seems as if there's something like stealing things behind them. Because virtually all of them who are in this high position there, that's the same thing they are doing. All of them have decided to ruin the country, because they are taking Cameroon as their personal property, forgetting to know that Cameroon belongs to everybody, it belongs to all of us. We came and made Cameroon, and we shall all one day go and leave Cameroon, and Cameroon will remain.
Okay, Inès, one last question before we go.
Ok, monsieur Amadou, j'aimerais qu'on se concentre sur cette une du journal Nouvel Horizon qui parle d'incivisme qui sévit dans plusieurs villes du Cameroun, notamment Douala, Yaoundé, où on trouvait des ordures qui débordent de la route au point de créer des embouteillages et créer certaines inondations dans certains quartiers. Alors la question que je m'en vais vous poser, c'est à qui la faute? Est-ce la faute des populations ou bien la faute des mairies?
Non, je pense que pour moi, je pense que la faute est partagée. Parce que le civisme des populations aussi ne font pas les choses qui vont bien. Parce que parfois, même les gens connaissent qu'on baisse les ordures par là. Et quand les ordures baissent partout. Et quand il pleut maintenant, là, la pluie, ça prend tout ça et ça cause les inondations partout. Et il y a aussi le problème de la commune aussi. Parce que chaque fois, normalement, il doit venir pour porter les ordures qu'on a déposées. Et parfois, ça fait longtemps.
It is not the council that manages the...
no, this thing is Izakam. Yeah, Izakam. Even though Izakam is complaining that the high instruction people are not paying them.